Your vehicle's paint is constantly under attack. Protect your vehicle with industry-leading paint protection film. The biggest mistake new car owners make, they wait until it's too late. Let me show you why paint protection film is the only option to protect your new vehicle. Paint protection film is self-healing and is designed to go on a vehicle's exterior, protecting it from damages while on the road. Most films come with what's called a ceramic coating built into it. At Clearly Protected, we're different. We ceramic coat every single piece of film, giving you ease of maintenance, hydrophobic properties, and cutting your cleaning time in half. Paint protection film is very challenging to install. If your installer doesn't wrap edges or have experience with your specific type of vehicle, the job will not turn out good. The best part is, XPEL film comes with a 10-year manufacturer CARFAX-backed warranty if installed by a certified installer and a certified shop. We take it a step further. At Clearly Protected, we cover it with a craftsmanship warranty for 10 years as well. Here at Clearly Protected, formerly known as Ceramic Pro Daytona, we've been in business for 6 years and have a team full of dedicated factory-trained installers ready to meet your vehicle's needs. It's from your daily drivers, to your classic and vintage cars, to your electric vehicles, all the way up to your luxury and hypercars. We can give your vehicle the protection it deserves. Click the link below to get your vehicle protected today.